Right. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah. Today we are actually at Pian dei Musini, Pian dei Musini Resort. Pian dei Musini Resort. We are in the swimming pools. It's nice and it's a wonderful experience. Lovely place. The pools are very clean. As you can look, check here, everywhere here is blue water, all blue sky water and everything. It's a wonderful experience, it's always good, you know what I'm saying. These are all adults pools, and that side there, you see there, these are all kids pools. These are all chalets. That's where we sleep. We're booked in our apartments. The self-catering apartments, on other side of Italy, you know what I'm saying. So it's a good, a very good environment, very good place. As you can see, even here, kids are playing. This is also, as you can see here, they're saying it's regolamento acceso in piscina. The resort name is Pian dei Musini, right? Toscana resort, right? Yeah. So these are all pools. These are all for kids. Nice, pools. They're all blue, all of them, all blue. Such a wonderful experience, understand. So, it's always good, to travel around, guys. Good to travel around. Let's move around and see places, such a very good experience. I'm still in Italy, guys. I'm still in Italy. So I'm still enjoying myself. These are all apartments where we are. Yeah, all right. So you can see clearly the area, the environment. So you can see this is just an apartment where we are. All right. These are all apartments, everywhere. You could see from here. We just walk here on the sand. It's just a place where you walk. This is where we are. Right. Okay, this is where we are. This is our apartment where we're sleeping. Such a very good experience.